The AI Standup for June 16th, 2026. Welcome back to the channel. Three major stories are breaking right now that every AI engineer and investor needs to understand. First, Anthropic is in talks with the US government over access restrictions to its most powerful new models, Fable 5 and Mythos 5. This could set a massive precedent. Second, a critical vulnerability has been found in the popular LiteLLM AI gateway, potentially exposing API keys on a huge scale. And third, Google's new Gemma 4 open weight models have just landed on Amazon Bedrock, shaking up the options for developers on AWS. We're breaking down what this all means right now. Our top story today is a major development at the intersection of AI safety and regulation. Anthropic is confirmed to be in negotiations with the US government regarding access restrictions placed on its new frontier models, Fable 5 and Mythos 5. This isn't just a standard safety update. This appears to be a direct response to federal concerns, likely stemming from jailbreak vulnerabilities or potential misuse capabilities. So, what's happening here? Frontier models like these are incredibly powerful, and with that power comes significant risk. Governments, particularly the US government, are establishing frameworks to oversee their development and deployment. The restrictions on Fable 5 and Mythos 5 seem to be a direct result of these emerging oversight mechanisms. The core of the issue is finding a balance between innovation and safety. For Anthropic, they need to demonstrate that their models have robust safeguards that can't be easily bypassed. For the government, they need to ensure that models of this scale don't pose a national security risk or become tools for widespread misuse. The outcome of these negotiations is critical. It will likely establish a precedent for how all frontier model developers interact with regulators going forward. Will there be a formal certification process? Will certain capabilities be permanently firewalled at the government's request? This directly impacts go-to-market strategies and timelines, introducing a new, significant layer of regulatory risk for companies and their investors. This is a story we will be tracking very closely. Next, we have a critical security alert for anyone using AI infrastructure tools. Researchers at Obsidian Security have disclosed a severe vulnerability chain in LiteLLM, a widely used open-source AI gateway. This is a big deal because LiteLLM acts as a unified interface to over 100 different LLM APIs, managing API keys and credentials for an organization. The vulnerability allows a low-privilege user to escalate their permissions to full administrative control over the AI gateway server. Let's break down the technicals of the exploit chain. It starts with a server-side request forgery, or SSRF, vulnerability in a specific endpoint. An attacker with basic user access can craft a malicious request that forces the LiteLLM server to make a request to an internal service it normally wouldn't be able to access. The researchers chained this with a remote code execution, or RCE, flaw. By exploiting the SSRF, the attacker can force the server to execute arbitrary code, effectively giving them a shell on the machine with the same permissions as the LiteLLM process. From there, gaining root access and full administrative control is often trivial. The impact is severe. Once an attacker has admin control of the gateway, they can exfiltrate all the sensitive API keys and provider credentials stored on the server. We're talking about keys for OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Azure, every service connected through the gateway. This is the crown jewels for any company building on AI. For any team using LiteLLM, the immediate action is clear. You need to patch your instances immediately. For the broader industry, this is a wake-up call. As we build more complex AI stacks with management layers like gateways, the security of these tools becomes a critical single point of failure. Our third major story is a significant expansion in model availability on major cloud platforms. Google DeepMind's new Gemma 4 family of open-weight models is now available on Amazon Bedrock. This brings Google's latest generation open models to one of the most popular managed AI service platforms, giving developers on AWS a powerful new set of tools. The Gemma 4 family is particularly interesting because of its architecture. The launch on Bedrock includes three instruction-tuned variants, but the key detail is that the family utilizes both dense and mixture of experts, or MoE, architectures. Let's quickly unpack that. A traditional dense model activates all of its parameters for every single token it processes. This is effective but can be computationally expensive. An MoE model, by contrast, is composed of numerous smaller expert networks. For any given token, a routing mechanism activates only a small subset of these experts, the ones most relevant to the task at hand. The primary benefit of MoE is a massive increase in the model's parameter count, without a proportional increase in computational cost for inference. This means you can get the performance of a much larger model with the inference speed and cost of a smaller one. The availability of both dense and MoE variants of Gemma 4 on a platform like Bedrock allows developers to make very specific trade-offs between cost, latency, and performance for their specific use case. This move reinforces the trend of hyperscalers becoming neutral platforms, offering first-party, third-party, and now even major competitors' models side by side. It intensifies the competition and is a clear win for developers who now have more state-of-the-art options to evaluate and deploy. Now for a few other important stories in rapid fire. First, NVIDIA is accelerating AI in the life sciences. The company has launched new recipes within its BioNeMo framework, specifically for fine-tuning biological foundation models. These tools use low-rank adaptation, or LoRA, to make it much more efficient to train models like ESM2 on specialized protein and genomic sequence data. This is a big step in enabling more customized AI for drug discovery and bioinformatics. And second, Cloudflare is continuing its push into AI by acquiring talent from the startup Ensemble AI. The Ensemble team will be integrated into Cloudflare's machine learning infrastructure and efficiency groups. This isn't a product acquisition, it's a strategic talent grab, signaling Cloudflare's deep investment in building out its own robust, efficient AI capabilities to power its global network. So, what does all this mean for you? Let's break it down. For engineers and developers, the takeaways are immediate and actionable. First, if you are using the LiteLLM AI gateway, your top priority is to check for and patch the critical privilege escalation vulnerability. The risk of API key exposure is severe. Second, the arrival of Google's Gemma 4 models on Amazon Bedrock gives you new architectures to evaluate. Test the dense versus MOE variants for your specific workload to see where you can optimize for performance and cost. Finally, for those in bioinformatics, the new NVIDIA BioNeMo recipes provide a more efficient, LoRA-based path to fine-tuning biological foundation models like ESM2 on your proprietary sequence data. For investors and strategists, the market implications are clear. First, Cloudflare's talent acquisition from Ensemble AI is a strong signal of its commitment to expanding its AI infrastructure. This is a strategic move to bolster their core services with machine learning, making their network smarter and more efficient. Second, Anthropic's negotiations with the US government represent a new and significant regulatory risk for the entire frontier model market. The outcome could dictate deployment timelines and commercial availability for all high capability models. And third, Google's Gemma 4 on AWS underscores the intensifying competition among AI platforms. The trend of major model providers partnering with cloud hyperscalers is solidifying, making these platforms the central battleground for enterprise AI adoption. That's our analysis for today. These developments show a maturing industry grappling with security, regulation, and platform competition. If you're a professional in this space, this is the analysis you need to stay ahead. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next briefing. We're keeping a close eye on the regulatory scrutiny of all frontier models, the evolving security landscape for AI infrastructure, and the strategic moves in the cloud platform wars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.